Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 3 to 9, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, let's see Capricorn. What's up with you? What's coming to you? Ano yung overall energies ng mga Capricorn? Overall energies. Okay. The devil. You are in your own element. Oo. Maaring kayo ay strategic sa inyong mga actions ngayon. Meron ding temptation for some of you, like for example, meron kang goal, tapos minsan may mga distraction, no? Nadidistract ka sa mga nangyayari sa paligid mo. So, ito na yung time para ma-realize mo kung gaano ka kalakas para umiwas sa distraction, or sa temptation, para mag-focus ka sa goal mo. Like for example, meron kang kailangan trabahuhin, kaya lang, nadidistract ka lagi sa cellphone mo dahil napapa-scroll ka lagi sa social media. Hanggang sa hindi mo na namalayan, 2 oras na ang lumipas, wala ka pang nagagawa. So, pag mga ganyan, ilayo mo na muna yung phone mo sa'yo at mag-focus ka dun sa ginagawa mo para may matapos ka, para mas productive. Let's see your your potential or possible challenge. You have the Page of Pentacles. Meron kang gustong simulan. Can be a project, trabaho, business na hindi mo masimulan. Oo. So, yun na nga siguro yung medyo distracted ka ngayon. Sa mga bagay sa paligid mo. And also be careful rin sa mga offers, no? Lalo na yung mga too good to be true. Let's say merong nag-o-offer sa'yo ng business or investment. Ayan. So, pag-isipang maigi. Yung iba naman, kung kayo nag-aaral ngayon, medyo nawawala kayo sa concentration. Let's see your opportunity. You have the Three of Pentacles. Opportunity to expand your horizon, to grow your finances. So, maaring meron kang opportunity na makipagtrabaho sa ibang tao, merong mga collaborators. And I think it's also time for you na to work with other people. Lalo na kung for the longest time, mag-isa ka lang na nagtatrabaho, no? For example, ayaw mo na merong mga kasama sa grupo. Oo. Kaya lang minsan nagiging support system din yan. Oo. So, at kumbaga merong checks and balance na, may magsasabi sa'yo na, nadidistract ka na. Ito na yung focus tayo sa goal. Ganon. Let's see your blessing. What's the blessing? You have the 9 of Wands. So, this is strength, lakas. Tignan mo, ikaw na lang yung natira. Excuse me. You're the only person remain standing here. So, sabihin, pinaglaban mo. Meron ka ipaglalaban ngayong week na to. Na talagang i-effortan mo to make it work. Hindi mo iiwanan. Hindi mo i-abandon. You will work on it para makita mo yung resulta. Some of you, maaring merong contract signing. Collaboration. Pwedeng may, let's say you are an influencer, content creator, pwedeng may mag-offer ng collab sa inyo or paid partnership, ganyan. Let's see your money, career, finances, Capricorn. You have the High Priestess. You have the Fool. Merong new opportunity, The High Priestess is about your knowledge. Something na hindi mo pa, medyo nakatago, no? So, I think, meron kang i-explore sa sarili mo with the Fool card. Ito yung mga hindi mo ginagamit na abilities na maaring ngayon i-explore mo, lalakasan mo na yung loob mo para to show it to the world, to share it to the world. Oo. Some of you, yung mga tipong gusto nyo sana mag-share ng mga ng expertise nyo, pero nahihiya kayong humarap sa camera, yung mga ganun. So, I think ngayon, magkakaroon ka na ng lakas ng loob, no? Kasi naisip mo na, teka, ano rin to pwede kang mag-build ng empire through that, no? Yung pwede kang magsimula ng vlog, ng content creation, ng Facebook page, or a certain following, no? Oo. Meron kang mga financial loss. So you have to be careful in making decisions, no? Lalo na yung mga unhealthy habits mo pagdating sa pera. May mga times na hindi mo talaga na ma-manage yung iyong finances. Some of you may be spending more than what you are earning. So be careful with that, no? Kasi maari ring sa inyo yan parang pwedeng bumalik rin sa inyo, kayo rin yung maapektuhan. Oo. So, in making decisions in your business or career, follow your gut and trust your instincts. Minsan kasi masyado nagiging practical ang mga Capricorn. Naisip nila, may pera ba dyan? Kung wala, no na. Pero, it takes time to build a business, no? Or a money-making machine. Hindi siya basta na lang na, oops, ito na, and kikita ka na doon. You really have to establish your career, your business, para makita mo, bago mo makita yung resulta. Okay? Sa love life naman, let's see, you have the 5 of Cups, the King of Wands, the Magician, and the Page of Cups. Some of you, meron ditong, can be an issue with, sa anak, no? Pwedeng nagkaroon ng issue sa isang anak. Meron dito nagre-regret. Oo, nagsisisi sa nagawa niya. Maaring you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini and Virgo. Oo. But, I also see a person na pwedeng magre-reach out sa'yo from afar. Pwede siyang from abroad. Meron siyang interest sa'yo. Oo, parang this person is maaring attracted sa'yo. Although nasa early stages pa lang siya ng relationship. But I don't know, no, kung meron kang interest din sa person na to, but you have to be careful as well kasi pwedeng hindi ganun ka seryoso yung intention ng tao na to sa'yo. And with the Magician, yes, maaring meron ditong someone na medyo controlling sa relationship. So, if you are in a relationship right now, pwedeng magkaroon ng problema pagdating sa distance ninyong dalawa ng iyong person. Lalo na kung merong responsibility, like meron na kayong anak, tapos pwedeng meron kang mga demands sa person mo about sa responsibilities niya sa anak nyo. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng conflict. You also have trust and playfulness. So, some of you, maaring you will spend some time with a person na nag-enjoy kang kasama siya. So, parang siguro gusto mong kilalanin, no? Lalo na kung nasa dating stage ka or nasa early stages of the relationship. You want to gain, kumbaga gusto mong magtiwala dito sa taong to and gusto mong malaman kung paano yung dynamics ninyo together. Are you going to feel good with this person? Are you going to have fun with this person? And also, kino-consider mo rin yung compatibility ninyo pagdating sa communications, no? Kasi may mga tao na gusto nila, lagi silang kinakausap, ina-update. Meron naman na gusto tahimik lang. Oo. So, nasa ganong stage kayo ngayon. You are trying to see if this relationship will work moving forward. Okay, free spirit. Give yourself the space and freedom to express your creativity. So, meron kang mga creative talents na talagang i-explore mo ngayon na maaring magbigay sa'yo ng magandang oportunidad to earn money, no? You also have soul tribe. It is safe to be seen. Ayun, parang yung iba sa inyo kasi medyo hindi naglalalabas, no? So, if you want a relationship na, halimbawa, naghahanap ka talaga, gusto mo talaga ng relationship na iniisip mo, kailan ka kaya magkakaroon ng person sa buhay mo, you really have to go out, no? Kailangan mo lumabas, meet other people, socialize, travel, para mas malaki yung opportunity for you to meet your soul tribe, no? Yung pwede ring soulmate, malay mo, 'di ba? Ma-meet mo na yung soulmate mo. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye.